Hey guys, I'm back at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you guys what came in the mail. I don't know what came in the mail. I think it's a balisong.
Careful.
Oh my god. Open this. What is this? Oh my god. See, what is it? It's a balisong. Oh my god. It's a balisong. Oh my god. Open this right now. It's a balisong! Yeah, I knew it, guys! Okay.
Careful.
Oh my god. Oh my god, how do you squeeze it? God, how do you... How many YouTubers do this? Oh crap. I just squeeze it, and it opens. Yeah, see? It's a balisong. It's a trainer, guys. This right here is a trainer. A trainer is pretty much a balisong. This is a balisong, if you guys remember. I like how it is, because look. Oh my god.
Let me see.
Pops thinks it's real, Daddy.
Don't worry, Bobby, it's a fake. Also, there's also another one. Probably other ones.
Son para practicar.
Also, I didn't think it was a... Let's see what's in this one. It's another balisong.
How many did you order, Daddy?
I ordered, I don't know how much I ordered. I think I was like...
4 of them, right?
Yeah, 4 balisongs. I think this one has to be another one. I think this one's the rainbow. I think this is the rainbow. I think this one's the... Yeah, it's the rainbow.
What is the lack of close?
Oh, look, puppy. Okay. You can do cool tricks. Look. Stop. This is the blade. Yeah. Flip it. Actually, this is actually pretty much...
Papi, ahí le hablan, afuera.
You can add pretty much...
Que ahí le hablan afuera.
Pretty much, if you close it, you can pretty much close it and stuff. This is an actual balisong. This is made out of actual metal. Look, smell it. See, metal. Same thing.
Can I stop recording, Daddy?
I might loosen this a little while because it's very hard. This is the rainbow. I love this one to death.
Or you can stop now?
Yeah, you can stop.